even though the snow is cold, it's ice, you know, it's actually pretty beautiful. It's very, very beautiful. You know, it's like a scenery. So we had a little snow falling last night. You know, it's very beautiful. The whole place, all the trees. Well, the leaves already fell off, so now it's snow that looks like leaves. Yes, y'all. Look at how beautiful the trees over there look with the snow on it. You know? The leaves fell off already and left just the sticks, you know, like these, but the snow fell and landed and stick to the sticks. So that's the outcome. Yeah, we had a little bit of snow falling last night, so they already cleaned this area for us to walk. Thankfully, it's pretty nice and clean. See, look at this one. That's snow on the leaves, the sticks, you know, the tree sticks, branches. Hope you enjoy this video.